Hey guys, welcome again. And today I want to talk about the overview dashboard that I have. I have a task overview dashboard, but I've just created another one which has an entire focus on everything that I need to get done today. So I call it the today overview. Maybe we should call it the overview here. And this is a focus dashboard for everything that I need to get done today and the things that I need to track. And we spoke about the daily tracker in the previous video. And if you see here, this is what I like to do, where today, as the day progresses, this is always open in the background somewhere. And what I do is, as the day progresses, I just fill things in. So how many hours of deep work I've done, what's my effectiveness today, what I feel like, have I exercised, what kind of workout did I do, how much time did I spend with my family, have I meditated, and how much of time did I spend on my side projects, and all of this, and which week this belongs to, and this, so that I can go back, and kind of look at in this week, how many hours did I sleep, how many hours did I work, how many hours did I really utilize with my family. And these are the things that I like to track, and it's on the top over here. And we can just fill it in for a new day right here, and it's saved in your daily tracker or the daily tracker database as such. This is a demo one that I've created for you. The next main thing, and I love this quote it's an Eskimo quote, which says, "Yesterday is ashes, tomorrow wood. Only today does the fire burn brightly." And that's so, I think it just puts everything into perspective, doesn't it? So we look at highlight of the day. This is actually something that I got from the book Make Time by Jake Knapp, and he's a brilliant guy. I think he was the first person who, I think he's the person who came up with the sprint method. If you're familiar with it, that's how most software companies work. He's an ex-Google employee, and what I got out of reading that book was that having a highlight of the day, that is, you may have a bunch of tasks. As you can see here, I have a bunch of tasks and priorities, but if I can't get through all of this, I don't want to be super disappointed, but I want to have one task out of these. I want to have one task which is like the highlight. That is, if I get this one task done, then the day is going to be worthwhile. You know what I mean? Like, some days you can do 100 things and just feel like complete crap, but on the other days you may just do one important thing, and that takes you so much further towards your goal. So every day, I like, from my task database, I like to tag them. So this is my task database that is linked here. These are all the tasks that I need to do which are not done till today, so they're also showing up, so that hopefully I'll get it done today, and the tasks that I need to get done today. And I have the priority here. I have a priority matrix, and you can see my task management video to have a look at how I built this. And over here I have a tag, so one of them I'm gonna assign as highlight, and it's gonna show up here. So my main focus is to make sure that I get this one done today, and I always like to keep it in the background so that it helps me have an overview as to, okay, the day is progressing, but I need to get this task done, and the moment it's done, I can move on to other things. So my goal is to change the status to completed, and then get on with the other tasks over here. So this is what I like to do, and have an overview of today with all the tasks, my highlight, and the things that I'm tracking here. And if you open up my tracker, you can go in, and I can make some more entries, like what are my thoughts for the day, what some big wins, or if I just want to make a particular note so that I can go back and look at it. It's always helpful. So what made this day a 4-star versus another day which was 1-star, so that I can go back and look at how things are progressing in my life. So this is what I wanted to share. I'll have the link for this the entire dashboard in the description, and you can copy it for free. Hope it helps you and hope you use it. And if you're interested, try to there's a book out called The Lazy Man's Guide to Productivity. It's going to help you how to break down your tasks and get after it and try to achieve all your goals. And I'll have the link for that as well and below. But this is what I'm using. I'm using Notion to track all my tasks. It's always in the background, and I'm able to actually be super effective, even though I'm a serial procrastinator. So good luck. Copy this and see you in the next one. Peace.